Okay. So last topic which we have done, right, that is a formula fields. Okay, in that we can able to see single object and cross object, correct? Did you practice?
I didn't get time to practice, sir. I did practice it today.
Okay. So once this topic, right, I'm going to explain the other topic. Once in this topic, I'm going to share one small project again, and you need to complete that topic. I mean, you need to complete the project. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So I'm going to share my screen. So now the today's topic is data security. Okay. What is data security exactly? See here. See, there is a data security. Okay, in this data security, what you can able to do, you should have to give the access levels of securities to the end users. Okay, so we're having a four types of securities here. The first one is organization level security and object level security and field level security and record level security. We're having a four types of security. It's a very important in the Salesforce. It's like a heart for the Salesforce. Like without giving any access to the user, how he can able to do the work. So for example, in phone pay we're having a phone pay, right? Like if I send the messages in the phone pay, we can't able to delete the those messages because why? Means the admin not given the access for delete option. So whenever we in that every project, whenever we are doing and in every application, while you're using the application, right, in that application you can't have the other accesses. The extra accesses admin can't provide you because why? Means it's having a limit. You should not go through with the authority. You're having a only few access. In this few access only you should have to work on it. Okay, it is called as a data security. Like in one application, the same application, some hundreds of thousands of users, they are working on it. So every user, admin will decide what access I should have to give. For example, account and contact. Okay, the account object, the two users can able to visible, and other two users can't able to visible the account object. And the contact object can able to visible first one and two user, and third fourth user they can't able. I mean they can able to see the contact object. So these kinds of securities we should have to go through with the data security. Data security in the Salesforce. Like data security, how many types we're having here? Organizational level security, object level security, field level security, and record level security. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So see here, I'm going to share my. Okay. You here. Starting the version 4 was. Okay. So this is our Salesforce page. Okay, now the first thing is what is meant by organizational level security. What is meant by organizational level security? Okay, so here what is the organizational level security here? Like how many users, like which time they should have to log in, and how many users we want to put MFA, like multi-factor authentication. Okay, and how many users we should have to give the access per. for every profiles and permission sets. We should have to give a access controls. How many users we can able to give the access controls, and what is our login hours time. Okay, the user can able to log in only 3 hours or 4 hours or 5 hours, and which date, like in this week, he should have to log in on Tuesday only, and apart from that, he can't able to log in. That kind of also we can do in the organizational level security. Okay, and we can able to track the IP ranges also, where the user where it is working from, and where he is logged in exactly. We can track with the help of the IP ranges. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Small demo I will show you here. What is the how the organization level security where it will be populated. Set up, and here if you go right, just a bit. I will put on charge my phone. Okay, so that I will show you here profile. Okay, if you open the profile, see whenever you have registered in the Salesforce, right? Like you are an admin. For every admin, they're having a one profile. The profile name is system administrator. Because you are an admin, you can do everything whatever you want in the Salesforce page. Okay, for example, I'm searching here. mm, uh, this is a profile, for example. This is a one profile. I'm going to show you the organizational level security. Organizational level security, how it's look like. If I click edit, scroll down, you can able to see, right? Like uh, the user, if I want to give the password, password details, he can able to we can able to insert the password detail like 30. If I make 30 days, right? The user after 30 days he should have to create a new password again. If I make 60, then after 2 months he should have to create a new password, like three attempts, like three remembers. Like what does that mean here? Whenever you created a new password, it will remember 3 times. It will remember the three passwords. It will it will can't remember more than sorry, it can remember up to 24, not more than that. Okay. From minimum is, what is the minimum here? We can able to insert a no password remember as well. Okay.
Okay.
Then the password character should be 8 or 10 or 15. We can make here number. So the minimum number is 8. And here alphabets. In the password, you can mention at the rate or underscore or 123 or ABC. Okay. You can mention as alphabets as well. Now, here, hint, cannot contain password. Password question requirement. Like when you create a password, right? It's asking the question like, what is your pet name and where you have born and what is your childhood nickname. These are all the questions it will ask. Okay. And what is the invalid attempts? If I took my ATM, if I went the ATM, right, then if I did 3 times wrong pin, then the ATM it will be blocked.
Block.
Like that,
Yes, sir.
if you use 10 times, right, then your account it will be blocked automatically. Okay, log out effectively period. Like after 15 minutes, the your account it will be log out automatically. We can mention at the time as well. Okay. So this is a securities, and after that, session timeout after 2 hours or inactive. See, for example, if you went outside for 2 hours, the system it will be directly log out automatically. The system it will be log out automatically. And this is a standard objects. This is the standard objects which you can able to see, right? These are all the standard objects. You can able to see the heading here, standard objects. Like in this below only you can able to see custom objects because it's a new which I have created yesterday only. So I didn't create, I didn't create any kind of custom object. So I didn't see here any custom objects option. So this is
Okay.
standard objects, and below you can able to see the custom objects. Custom objects.
Okay.
Clear, everyone? Sorry, clear, Puneet?
Yes, sir.
So
Sir,
if you,
are these what to say? These things only for us, or the profiles what and all create under this org, sir?
yeah, under this or whatever you have created, right? For example, this org, 100 users are using whatever. If you change your admin, whatever if you change in this org, right? Those users, it will be reflected the same. Those users, it will be reflect the same.
For each
Clear?
and every
Yes,
one.
each and every one.
Okay. Oh, okay,
Okay,
sir.
this is data security. See here, login hours we can able to put. The login hours we can able to put on like this. Okay, from 9 a.m. should from Monday to Friday. From Monday to Friday, 6 p.m. Like what is the sorry, Monday to Friday, mm, 9
For
a.m.
every day we can.
Yes, every day we can able to put from 6 p.m.
So
9 a.m. to 6 p.m. like this.
if we don't
Okay.
give on any of the days, we cannot. I mean, that particular user cannot log into this org only, right, sir?
Yes. For example, if he log in Saturday, right, he can't able to log in. He can able to log in only
Okay.
on Monday only.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay. So we can able to put like IP ranges and login out everything. We can it will comes under in the organization level security. Organization level security. Now, object level security. What is the object level security here? Like I'm having a two users. One user can able to access the account object, and other user can't able to access the account object. For this purpose, require what we need to do? We need to go through with the object level security. We need to disable that option, that object to second user. Then user one only can able to see the object, and user two can't able to see the account object. And this comes under the object level security. And field level security. Field level security means uh, both users can able to see the object, but in that object, user one can able to see rating field, and user two can't able to see the rating field. That is a field level security. And record level security. For example, rating is a pick list. Okay. In record level security, we're having a two ways. The first one is record. Mm, role based role based sharing and criteria based sharing. We're having it two types of sharings in the record level security. In the record level security, we can have we are having it two types of securities here. The first one is uh, role based sharing, and another one is criteria based sharing. Okay, for example, user one, user two is there. User one, what he's creating the records, user two can access user one records, but user one can't able to access user two records. But here user one can able to access user one records, and he can able to access his records as well. And user two, sorry, and now user one can't able to access the user two records, though. So this comes under in the record level security. Clear,
Yes, sir.
Puneet?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So for this data security, for this is very important, Naveen. Okay, just remember this and focus on it. Okay. In record level security, we're having a two ways to share the records. The first one is role based, and the second one is
Criteria based.
this one criteria based. Criteria
Yes.
based. Okay,
Right.
this two is very important. This two is very important.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now how we can go through data security? So first of all, we need to go through with roles. Role is a very important part. See, in that role, in the sense, based on that role only, we can able to share the records. we can go through the record level security. We can able to share the record level security based on the role, and it's a hierarchy basis. You can able to see the tree, right? This is CEO, and under CEO they're having a three workers, and under three workers having a sub workers. Again, each individual worker we are having a sub workers. And here Western sales rep he is reporting to Western sales director, and the Western sales director he is reporting to whom? CEO. But Western sales director he is not reporting to other roles. Okay, this is a role hierarchy. This is a role hierarchy. Here, when you got a job, right? When you got a job, right, you will get one role like software engineer or associate software engineer or civil engineer or developer. These are all the roles. Based on the role only, they will provide the work. Correct.
Yes, sir.
So this is a role. So how we can able to create the role here? So just enable this one. Don't show again. Just click this one, setup roles, and you can able to see the company name. Like when you have created your org, right? On that time you have given your company name. Okay, this is a company name, and he's a CEO. He's a CEO. Under CEO, how many roles are there? If you click the expand all, you can able to see all people are reporting to whom? CEO. Like we're having a sub users. These are all the sub roles. These three sub roles are reporting to SPP customer service, and the SPP customer service is reporting to the directly on CEO. Just to follow the line. Okay, now I want to create two roles. I want to create the two roles here. The first one is under CEO. Under CEO. So now sales manager. See, report to who? CEO. Just click save it. Again, and here service manager. Service manager. I have created two roles here. The first one is sales manager. Second one is
Yes,
service manager. Reporting to whom? CEO only. Okay.
see,
Let's click save. Now, if you go and check, you can able to see a tree. Like it's aligned now. If I expand this already expand all, this sales manager and service manager, these both roles are reporting to whom? CEO.
see,
Okay, now what are the next step now? Now we need to attach this role to the user. Before that, we need to create a profile. If you go to the users, then in that users, you can able to see your admin name. See, this is I mean, I can able to see my name. Means I'm an admin, system administrator. Like that also, you can able to see your name. Okay, this is a profile. This is a standard profile. Okay. So now what I will do now, I will make role as a CEO because I'm an admin. Open your user, click edit, and role, choose a CEO and save it. And save it. If you go back to the user again, you can able to see this is CEO. Okay, you are a CEO now. Now what you need to do, you need to create a profile first. See, we can't able to use the standard profile. Why means in standard profile, we can't able to edit the objects. We can't able to give the access, object level access. We can't able to do a standard profiles. If you click edit as well, this is standard profile. This is a standard profile. If you scroll down, we can't able to see the access. So like we can't able to give the access to the end users.
so
Can
for
you able to see?
org level security, we have to use this, right, sir?
No, org security not. See, organization. No, this is a object level security. I'm showing you the object level security. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So see now you can't give the access in the standard profiles. You should have to create a custom profiles only. Custom
Okay,
profiles only. Okay. Don't use the standard profiles. So go back to the profile and click a new profile. Now existing profile, we should have to select the existing profile as this standard platform user. Standard platform user. Now select give as a name as a platform one. Platform one, click save. Click save. Now I have given one profile, correct? I have see here. This is a custom profile. This is a custom profile. If I click edit, right? If I click edit, if I scroll down, now we can able to give the access. Like previously, for the standard profiles, we can't able to give the access. For
Yes,
this
sir.
custom profiles, we can able to give the access. So that's why we should have to go through with the custom profiles only. Okay, now the next topic, sorry, the next thing is I should have to create the user. I should have to create the user. So before that, before we are doing a data security, right? We need to align everything. Like we need to create a role, and we need to create a profile, and we need to create the user. And after that, we need to assign. We need to assign this. These are all the things. Okay. Before doing a data security, right? We need to make perfect everything like creating a role, creating a profile, and creating the user. After that, we can move on the we can able to do a data security part. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So we are managing the skills. Uh, I mean, we are doing everything before we are doing a data security. Before we are doing a data security here. So now we need to create the user. Just click a new user, and after that, give as a name. For example, John, mm, Alex. Sorry, John Sales. Sorry, I will give John Alex alias. It will come automatically. Now email. Email we should have to give our personal email only because this user what he's doing, what he's currently doing, and and by mistakenly he's deleted a records, and by mistakenly he's edited a record, by mistakenly he got any kind of notification, then we will get to know everything. So that's why we should have to give our email only. Okay. So now
Okay.
username. The username should not come the Gmail. It will come company names. Like for example, it's a John Alex, right? Username in the sense from the username only we are logging, right?
Yes, sir.
Alex John, and company name you can put um,
Smart bridge.
sandbox dot sandbox.com. Okay. In first class, I told you right everything we are doing in the sandbox only. Okay.
Sandbox.
After
Yes.
that, we can go through the production. So, so for this John, he's a salesperson. John Alex John Sales is a username, and role is sales manager. And you are the and what is the platform? He's a Salesforce platform. And what is the profile? Platform one. Okay. Click save it. Click save it. If you go to the Gmail, right, then you will get one confirmation mail, which is this is a mail. Okay. Don't click because if you click right, then it will lower the page. It will lower the page automatically. Okay. If you reset the password, right, if you reset the password, then whatever you have opened the org, whatever you have opened the org, it will be a redirect. It will convert to the user
Redirected.
page. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So like that only, it's not an issue. Just I'm showing how to create because in real time you don't want to create the users. Okay. See now I am creating another one user. Uh, Burke Max. Okay. Same email ID. Service at the rate sandbox dot. Okay. Service manager platform same address. Click save it. Okay, now how many users I have created? Two users. Before
Two
that,
users.
first I have created what
Roles.
I have created first roles. After that, profile. After that, user. See here, without profile, we can't able to save the user. We can't able to save the
Profile.
user. Yes, without user. In user, while we creating the user, without using a profile, we can't able to save the user. Okay,
What
but
was
we
profile, sir?
sorry.
Profile. What was profile, sir? That platform one was profile, right, sir?
Yes, that platform is it's a custom profile. It's a custom profile
Okay.
in that you can
Oh,
able to see all activities, like whatever we
mm,
are having in that all objects, fields, and applications. Everything it is in the profile only. It is the
got it, sir.
profile only. In the profile, if you make changes, right, and this user can able to reflect the same changes. Okay.
Mhm. Yes,
And see here, this is without using a profile, we can't able to save the user. And remember one thing:
yes,
once we create the user, we can't able to delete the user. Once we create the user, we can't able to delete the user. One user, one profile. One user, sorry,
one profile.
yeah, one user, one profile. Okay, but one profile, multiple users.
Many users. Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. One profile, many of users, but one user, only one profile. Clear?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now, please just to practice this one. Okay. We will continue on tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Just create
Kindly
these
share
two
this.
users. Yes, yes, I will share. Okay.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah. Bye, Puneet.
Bye, sir.